Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this tree video transition on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to place this video on top, and I'm also going to turn off main track magnet for a bit. Oh, actually I don't think I need to do that. I'm just gonna place this here, and as you can see there's like a tree here, so I'm just going to add like a mask. So go to mask here and select horizontal and mask it this way, like rotate it this way, and then place it on the right. Then you're going to add a keyframe here, and then when it moves you're going to just drag it here, and I'm going to feather it out just a little bit to make it a little bit more natural. And you're going to go frame by frame. It is a little bit tedious, and you're going to just go to the tree to mask it. I actually do need to place it underneath, but let's just do this first. As you can see, it is super tedious, so I'm just going to fast forward it a little bit. You do have to be more precise at what I'm doing right now, but I don't have a lot of time, so I'm going to be skipping a few frames. But yes, you do have to kind of do it frame by frame. So then here, then at the end you're just going to go all the way, and you're going to place your video there, and that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. I think I already said that, but if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.